Okay, we have another inequality, but we have the word or in there. So we have to know the difference between and or. The word and means that it's possible for you to have a number that satisfies both these equations at the same time. Then the word or means either the number will belong to this one or it's going to belong to this one. So because we have the word or there, that's going to be important when I write my answer. So also things to notice, if I have the word or, that means I'm going to have a union in my answer when I do the interval notation. Okay, so for each of these, first let's solve these individually. So I'm going to do 3x plus 4 less than or equal to negative 2. And I'm going to solve that one. I have the word or, and I have negative 3x plus 1 less than negative 8. So each of these I need to solve separately. So let's go ahead and do that. Subtract 4 from both sides, do the opposite operation. Negative 2 and negative 4, that's negative 6. Divide both sides by 3, and I get x is less than or equal to negative 2. Then I have the word or. Now on this side, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I get negative 3x less than negative 9. Again, these two together, they have the same sign, so you add them together, take the sign of both of them, so negative 9. Now, this is one where, once again, we're taking an inequality, we're dividing it by a negative number, so whenever you do that, you have to remember to flip the sign. So if we divide by negative 3, that flips it. Negative over negative is positive, we get x is greater than 3. So I have x is less than or equal to negative 2 and x is greater than 3. Let's look at that on a number line. So I have negative 2 and I have 3 right here. And so what I want to do is we'll use the closed circles. Closed circle for this one, but this one's going to be open circle. So pay close attention to the signs because that's going to tell you which note, how you're going to label that on the line itself. So I have a closed circle on this one, and I have open circle on that one. If you're using the bracket parenthesis notation, you'd have a bracket on this one and a parenthesis on that one there. Now, we have to get the direction correct on this. It says x is less than negative 2. So less than negative 2 means it's going to the left. So it's going to go this way. Look just like that. Greater than 3 means it's going the other direction. What we notice about this one is if you do have an answer, it's not possible to have that fall into both regions at the same time. It's either going to be in one or the other. When I do my interval notation, because I have two arrows, I'm going to do a different interval notation for each arrow. So I have two pieces. I'll put them together with my union symbol. Okay, I have less than 2, so that's going to be, if it's going to go to the left, it's going to be going to negative infinity. So that's negative infinity to negative 2. And so that's going to have a bracket there on that one. Union. And then this will be 3 with a parenthesis. And that's going to go 3 to infinity. Again, infinity, negative infinity will always have parentheses on it. So there is your number line. And here is your interval notation.